When it comes to the future of the automotive industry, there's one thing that's certain: lighter weight vehicles are a necessity. In response to global legislation for fleet fuel efficiency and reduced CO2 emissions, automakers have already implemented solutions such as stop-start engines, cylinder deactivation, or increased efficiency turbo engine technology. But these solutions cannot succeed alone. Experts agree that drastic vehicle weight reduction is the only approach that will achieve the ever more challenging targets. The key is to create lighter weight vehicles that are affordable at high build volumes. At Dow Automotive Systems, our carbon fiber composite solutions can significantly reduce vehicle weight, whilst our success in cutting composite manufacturing cycle time minimizes the additional costs to the part producer and the car maker. Understanding the direct relationship between the mass of the vehicle and fuel efficiency improvement, we advocate the concept of mass decompounding. We focus on reducing the vehicle body mass, enabling the car maker to reduce the mass of other vehicle systems as a result. Less mass in the vehicle body results in a lighter weight chassis and suspension system to carry it. A lighter body and chassis combination can then be powered by a smaller, lighter engine unit and driveline, with smaller fuel tank, cooling and exhaust systems. Whether utilizing composites or light metals, high-volume lightweight vehicle bodies are often more expensive than traditional steel, considering the combination of material and process cost. However, if savings from mass decompounding are applied to the overall cost equation, the cost of new lightweight materials may be significantly offset. Now that we understand the importance and viability of lightweighting, how do we get it done affordably? Here's where we leverage Dow's years of experience in material science and chemical engineering. We produce our composite solutions by pairing carbon fiber with epoxy for the best balance of processing, part performance, durability, and cost competitiveness, all with the intent that the composite part retains its function throughout its intended lifetime. We understand that when it comes to materials, there are many choices for automakers. In addition to traditional steel, there are lightweight metals such as aluminium or magnesium alloys. However, many independent references show that carbon fiber epoxy composites offer the greatest mass reduction for the equivalent stiffness or strength. For this reason, the industry is now heavily focused on integrating carbon fiber epoxy composites into their vehicle structure. We realize, however, that sometimes the best performing materials are often the most difficult to process. In recent years, we have optimized our carbon fiber epoxy solutions to meet that challenge. For example, Dow VORAFORCE epoxy RTM formulations offer extremely low viscosity for excellent impregnation of carbon fiber preforms, combined with industry-leading ultra-fast cure cycles under 2 minutes. This makes our carbon fiber composites an economical and technically excellent choice for high-volume lightweighting. And why do we focus on making epoxy so fast? Simply because we recognize epoxy is a most dependable matrix material, as demonstrated by years of structural metal replacement in the aerospace industry. As Dow constantly cuts epoxy cycle times, the perceived processing advantages of other thermosets or thermoplastics are cancelled out. In any case, thermoplastics tend to creep over time and temperature, whilst epoxy composite components are much more able to retain their geometry and properties over time, and therefore make a better choice for structural components. Dow Automotive Systems is a business unit of the Dow Chemical Company, who provide a vast knowledge base and diverse product portfolio that allows us to provide optimum solutions to our automotive customers. The power of this relationship is exemplified by our joint venture with Dow AXA, that now complements our composite resin offerings with carbon fiber. In addition, we're able to bring structural adhesive technologies that bond these composite components to the vehicle, and structural foams that can add further structural integrity and address acoustic management challenges. This multi-platform offering further demonstrates the advantages our customers enjoy. Dow Automotive Systems provides OEMs this broad base of composite solutions to address the constantly changing demands of the automotive industry.